Go inside.
Huh?
Go inside.
Why?
I don't know.
I'm getting taken off.
You're in timeout.
Apparently lighting stuff on fire is not a good thing to have around the shop.
Wow, that's impressive. This is a good marketing tool. Yeah, I hope Squirt actually. We're gone. Never to be seen again. Ooh, that was wet. Can I help you?
Alright, so hey everyone, we're back at the Inspired AutoWorks shop. We're here with a new project we just got. It is a 1967 Ford F100 or Ford 100. So we're basically gonna restore everything on this truck, redo the paint. I have a list of things we're gonna do to it, but basically restore it back to all original parts, make it look good for the customer, and hopefully it'll turn out pretty good. But here we have a list. I have a list of parts and stuff we're gonna do to it. So the engine, we believe it might be like some sort of big block 400 inline 6. This is an old farm truck, so they had pretty big block inline 6s back in the day. So for as far as engine goes, all we're going to be doing is fix the carburetor. We might be throwing a new one in, or I believe rebuilding this one. So it runs okay, but under cold starts it doesn't like to stay running, so it starts doing some weird misfiring stuff, and all the ignition's okay. So we're going to be messing with the carburetor, and then the big thing on this whole truck is going to be paint. We're going to be painting it all back to the green it once was, and I am not 100% sure what we're going to do with the trim. I think we're going to keep it white. So yeah, we'll keep it white probably and just redo it, because as you can tell there's some rust spots, so we just want to make it smooth, shine again. So we'll be doing that with the paint. And then what else we got here? We'll be doing on the interior, we'll be doing some stuff with the carpet.
Here, I'll get that door for you.
Oh yeah, we took the door handles off already and started to work on it. We'll be redoing the carpet, because right now it's got no carpet in it. We'll be redoing the carpet, relocating the horn switch on this, because on this one, it actually has it down there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a little switch down there underneath the dash panel where he can hit the horn. So we will be relocating that and installing a new steering wheel for this as well. Then we will do a dash cover replacement, or we might try to fix this, because you can tell, I don't know if you can tell from the back, but it's lifting, so it's kind of peeling from the back and not really staying like it should be. So we'll be doing that in the interior as well. Door seals will be replaced, because you can tell this one's already coming out and not good, so we'll be doing that so it's a little quieter and you can seal better when it rains. It doesn't get any water leakage inside. That would suck. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the interior, and then obviously clean the rest of this out in here and just make it look better. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the interior. We also have to do some, we already took the bed out, and we'll kind of go over what we've already done, but we actually have the bed out here. I can go check it out. We will be obviously repainting the bed as well, and then we will be installing, or just doing a different bed, like a bed piece. So instead of having it nothing back here, or just putting some plywood back here or on the truck, it would we're thinking of doing a little 2x4 pieces of, or sorry, 2x3 pieces wood planks all along here, and just maybe cover it with some enamel so it looks good. So it just looks clean, cleans it up a bit. So we'll be doing that. We'll also be taking care of all this rust that's on this bed frame here. It's got quite a bit of rust. So we'll be going over that as we progress through the this project. We'll be covering how to fix any rust holes that this vehicle might have. So yeah, we'll be doing that to the bed. As far as drivetrain goes, we won't really be doing much other than we're thinking of regearing the rear end, because right now the customer isn't too happy with how low of a gear he has in first gear. So we're gonna get a little different gear ratio in the back. We still don't know what rear end he has in it right now, so we're draining the fluid right now so we can take it out and see what he has back there in order to make the proper adjustment, get the proper ring gear replacement. Probably a new battery and battery mount, and horn mount, because you can tell this is just zip tied and really not very well done here. So we're gonna do a custom battery, or sorry, a custom horn mount for that, and then we'll be doing a custom battery mount as well, because this is all just strapped down with that, so we need something better. And that's pretty much it as far as what needs to be done to this. Paint's gonna be a big thing, and like I said, we will be going over how to fix stuff like these rust holes. And yeah, as you can tell, it's got quite a bit there. So far what we've done to it is, oh yeah, we've already removed the hood obviously, but the hood is over there sitting in the back. The owner has already tried to primer some of the rust spots, but we're gonna take it all down, smooth it out, and then repaint it obviously. So we took the hood off. John started taking off the front pieces of it, so all the headlights and stuff, all the little cover pieces, and then we were gonna take the grill off, but we couldn't figure out. But we finally found that there's bolts in the back of this thing, so we're gonna need to get to those. And then he started taking all the door handles off, so we could sand it all smooth and paint it all there. We worked on the rear of this thing. We took all the individual fenders off. As you can tell, this is the left side, that's the right side. Took those off the bed, and then we took the bed off. As you saw, it's sitting outside for now. We're gonna be sanding that down here soon. So we took that off, and then I started removing the fluid from the rear end, and then we'll take the cover off and figure out what we need to do with that. So that's basically what we've done so far. We just started today and a little bit of last night, but today is our first official work day that we've done some progress to this so far. So got it all torn down, should be sanding here pretty soon. We're gonna have a friend by the name of Casey gonna help us with a lot of the painting procedure and stuff, and then he knows his carburetor, so he'll be helping out with us with that as well. So yep, should be an interesting little video series of the restoration on this thing. It's gonna look great. It's gonna be something different from all our crazy drift cars, you know. So yep, stay tuned for more updates on this thing.